Hello. Welcome back into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Matt.
This Saturday, we are again exploring liqueurs, this time with Pama Pomegranate Liqueur.
Yum. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Matt, what is going on here?
Pama Pomegranate Liqueur. Look at the cool tree on the bottle.
Yay,
All right.
that makes it so much better.
I know. Doesn't a tree on the bottle always makes it better? All right, so this thing's 34 proof. Yay! It's the first pomegranate liqueur in the world. It's always been used in mythology as the forbidden fruit. This is California pomegranates, vodka, and a tequila, which makes a superfruit, and it's very healthy, is what a pomegranate is. It only has 54 calories per drink of this, which is pretty cool. It's famous in the Pama soda, the Pama spirit, the Pama bubbles, the Pama Collins, the Pamola, the martini, and the margarita. It's good in all of the above. At least that's
like it's lifting off dogs in a dog show. The Pamola, the martini, the
Cocker Pama.
you know what I'm saying? Sounds like a monster. Okay,
it
so
smells like liquefied
so you
raisins.
say it's only 54 calories per
Yeah.
drink. Is that how big of a drink?
Probably a 2-ounce serving.
I assume it's your 1.5 ounces, based on what the website said.
It smells like raisin juice.
It smells like grape jelly.
Yes, grape jelly liquid.
Smells like pomegranates and berries.
It smells like pomegranates and berries. It really does.
It does smell a little bitter and tart though at the same
It's got a little bit of like a plum,
I agree with the tart component as well.
maybe prune.
But yeah, there's only pomegranates in here, which is the funny part with the vodka and the tequila. There's no other fruits added to this.
Honestly, the more you smell it, it's not offensive.
No, it smells
Not
good. It smells like a scented candle.
Yeah, I like pomegranates though.
Me too. Technically, the
looks
pomegranates was in the Bible, what they ate in the Garden of Eden.
It makes me think like it's gonna be like Jello or something.
Jello. I mean, look at the color on that. That's dark.
Yeah,
It really is dark.
and it smells like it's going to be viscous.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
It is pomegranates. It's almost bitter like cranberry juice,
It is a little bit bitter like cranberry juice.
and it's tart, and it does make you pucker too. So
Oh,
Yeah.
so sweet.
I see. I don't get overly sweetness on it until I lick my lips.
Oh,
I like it. I think this is probably more fun in a cocktail than drinking this on its own.
I would definitely
Maybe over ice, but I think it's the margarita or the like they were saying on martini. I think this would be awesome.
in a margarita, I
pomegranate
think
margarita.
It'd be really good. I
quite
think.
good.
That would be really good.
And it would add a nice little tart component along with that lime
Yeah.
and that citrus. Yeah, this would definitely work in a margarita.
So
Guess what we can do? We can make different flavored margaritas one day. That could be fun.
that could be fun.
That could be
You
entertaining.
want to know what it kind of reminds me of?
Hmm.
And we've talked about this before in other liqueurs, but it reminds me of the old Snapples, the Earth.
Mm-hmm. You're right. It does. It's that thing. It's the sniffing of the lid of the Snapple.
Yeah,
Yes, I'm weird.
yeah. But on the palate, it reminds me of that. Yeah.
Mhm.
I can get behind that.
That metallic, whatever you want to call that, whatever that lid's made out of. It's
Metal,
that metallicness of it.
aluminum.
Aluminum.
Yeah, that.
All right, well,
It's good.
liqueur. Pomegranate.
Saturday.
Yes.
Yay.
Yay.
If you like pomegranates, you'll probably like this. If you don't, you're gonna hate it. It's pretty much that simple.
Pretty much that simple. But I don't know.
And it's like $25, so it's not expensive.
It'd make for a great additive.
It
Exactly.
really would make a very
This
great.
is a really good cocktail liqueur to me than something you'd want to drink neat or straight or with ice to make
And
it.
apparently it's good for you.
And it's good for you. And
Pomegranate.
it's low calorie count. So got that going for you too.
Just don't mix it with some.
Check.
That's right. That's what all the party girls
Doesn't
want to
work
drink.
that way for you. All right.
Doesn't check any of my boxes, folks.
Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. And until next time,
Keep on crusading for the liquids in your glass.
cheers. like and subscribe button and click the notification bell. Let me try that again. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bleh.
Wow, that was worse than the first one.
I want like number 2.
Third time's a charm.